Hey everybody, it's Vincent Oquendo, celebrity makeup artist, and I'm here with True Botanicals. I want to show you guys a fresh, gorgeous makeup look, a no makeup look. Shall we get started? I'm gonna start with the face mist. Close your eyes. Sometimes we're in a rush. Sometimes we can't do our full skincare routine, so I like to at least give a little mist because it just gives you a little cushion beneath your makeup. Now we're using the True Botanicals Everyday Skin Tint with SPF 30. And I'm gonna take one pump of that. And then I'm gonna take my gorgeous little brush. It has a little reservoir in there. I'm gonna get that deeper color. And we're gonna just sort of buff it in. It feels really good blending on the skin. It's really lightweight and it just kind of melts, which is what I want. It makes my job easier as a makeup artist. What I love about these skin tints is it's makeup that's actually good for your skin. It's the squalane, and squalane, I know what you're thinking, like what's that? It's an ingredient that imitates natural oil in the skin. So your skin looks like skin. All right, so now we're moving on to blush. And so I'm using a cream blush and I'm gonna just feather it right over her cheeks. When you're applying your cream blush, I like to use my complexion product brush, and I'm going in a half circle and I'm moving up because you always want to sculpt upwards. And then I'm taking a swipe of that blush and I'm using it on the lids. Gorgeous. Now, moving on to the eyes, I'm using a cream shadow because I want to keep this creamy story going. And I'm gonna add a little shimmer right on top of that blush that I put on the eyes. I start on the ball of the lid and I just windshield wipe it onto the crease and get that sparkle right up in there. I'm gonna take my mascara and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite little beauty hacks when I want a no makeup look. I go right into the base of the lash line and I'm gonna push the mascara into the base of the lash line so it gives me almost like a smudgy eyeliner look without looking so done. Finally, to complete our no makeup look, I'm using the True Botanicals lip balm and I'm going right on her lips. Blend it up and done. Ready for her day. No one will know you're wearing a stitch of makeup and it's just between us. See you next time.